If you can see that white spot, that's the actual glue. So we're going to be replacing the driver's side rear view mirror or side view mirror. To complete the repair, we need to remove this panel that's right where the mirror is in the corner there. Now the first thing we need to do is remove this piece, and I'm just going to use one of these plastic pry tools. You'll find this in the description, and pop this off. And there's that. And then inside of there, there's a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screw. I want to take that out. After removing the screw from here, next thing we want to do is remove this bezel from here. You want to access the bezel not from here, but in between this black piece and the bottom of this. And you want to pry around and pop that off. And the bezel's off, and as I turn it over, you can see where the clips are. The clips, they sit in between the door panel and this black piece, so that you guys don't break this trim. You want to hit it from the inside and push those clips. Next, you want to use a something small enough, flat enough to pop this up, and under there is a screw, and there's that piece there, guys, and there's your Phillips head screw that needs to be taken out. And guys, I use these clip remover tools. They're in the description. These make the job a lot easier, and we're working on, especially halfway decent cars, you want to have something that doesn't scratch whoever's vehicle you're working on. It doesn't scratch up the panel. So having these plastic tools, they don't mar up anything, and they save you time, help you when you don't have a screwdriver. See, this end's small, and then it has a bigger end on this end. So check the description for these guys. And next is to get this screw out. Now I've gotten that screw out, guys. Then you just want to use your pry tool to pry up on this part, and it should come out. After that, it's going to go around the door, and pop the clips all the way around. And then once you have all the clips popped, you're going to grab the door panel and lift straight up, and the door panel should come off. Now I have all the clips off, and you're simply gonna just lift up on the panel, and it comes right off. And from here, guys, this is all we need to do. We don't need to remove any clips or anything to access the this. We want to remove this part, remove this clip and this connector, and then you're going to then get at 1, 2, 3, those 3 bolts, nuts. To remove this clip, you're going to just simply go in here, go go in here. It's pretty easy. Push in this tab. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Push in this tab and then push up. And then it's pretty much, careful not to break it, but it's pretty much out. Then next we're going to use a 10mm socket wrench, preferably an extension or a long reach socket to remove these bolts. And what I'm going to do is I'll remove 2 of them and then loosen 1 of them up, and don't remove the 3rd one until you actually grab a hold to the mirror so the mirror doesn't fall to the ground. So take 2 bolts off and then leave 1 almost all the way off, leave a couple threads so that it doesn't fall, and then hold the mirror and then twist off the last 2. Once you get those 3 bolts out, the mirror is gonna seem stuck, but you're gonna have to wiggle it, finesse it a little bit to get it, and you're holding the mirror outside, and then it should come right out. And there's our old mirror. And we'll be replacing this with another mirror, and since this is the color of the vehicle, it's colored the same color as the vehicle, we're going to pop this bezel off, put it on the replacement mirror, and then remount the mirror.